That's open.
Sells fun and essential products for dogs and animals. Go to PICpetshop.com or marking good deals. Politically incorrect pets, because the best pets have character. If you're looking for healthy, natural hair care, check out Crown and Glory Natural Hair Studio. Crown and Glory is a safe space for textured hair appreciation and education.
Guess we should have a
Book
watering
your appointment today at crownandglory.ca. That's crown, the letter N, glory.ca. Stewart, helping local business keep moving forward.
Free firework number 1.
Build it, fix it, hang it. With downtown Toronto's handyman, Husky Renovations.
Oh, it doesn't. It's not pointed nearly high enough.
Visit huskyrenovations.com.
Меня зовут Алиса. Я попала в автомобильную катастрофу.
Oh. See, I don't think we're going to be able to do it on the tripod. I think we gotta.
Disability claims were declined. I didn't wait. I called Sokolov. They speak my language. In fact,
Nope.
they actually
Okay,
speak
hold
over
that.
30 different languages. So they understand more than injury law. They understood me.
We are Sokolov, Toronto's multilingual
I don't want to be the
injury
camera guy.
lawyers. Visit
Can't stand being the camera person, like, because you have to like pay too much attention to the camera and not the firework.
Don't you want to light them?
Dangerous lighting.
Mom, do you want to?
Will you light fireworks?
Here, you can be the camera person.
None. No. Like, I can't even hold it still.
No, it goes.
Ow!
Here,
Put
you
your
want to
hand
put your hand
in this little
into that.
sleeve. Yeah.
Like, I don't even...
Yeah, there's like a little sleeve, and it goes right into your hand. Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Well, when the firework goes, you have to point it at the firework.
yeah, well...
You can't see anything now. It's dark.
Thinking
We're gonna do another
you
test
need to
one.
be over there.
Yeah, well, I'm going to be on my chair. Because that's all I'm interested in. None of this.
move the chairs over.
Well, see if you can get it. That's the test one, right? This is like the test firework.
Like, I don't know, I'm cold. I don't even want to be out here. It's getting too windy. This is dangerous now. I don't see anything. But yeah, this is, no.
You're doing great.
No. No, this is not going to be very good. Like,
What do you mean? It's not there. Bring the boxes over to here.
it's hard to see over there, isn't it? Did he just come home?
Pardon?
Did he just come home, Dave?
I like that one.
Yeah, that was good. Look at all the ash things.
Dude, look at him. The embers.
This one made a lot of embers.
Where's the wheelbarrow? You need the wheelbarrow for the empties. For the burnt ones. I hope we don't get in trouble.
Is it lit? Please get the little shovel.
Yeah, 6 feet out so I can bury the fireworks.
You have like a little
We
shovel?
need the, yeah, but I think you need the wheelbarrow for the burnt out ones.
That's an intro, baby. That's an intro.
You need the wheelbarrow for the
That's
dead
how
one?
you do it. That's what I'm talking about. What's good? My name is Peter Cash. Welcome to Club Quarantine. For your Saturday night on what would have been
Well,
a Saturday night.
I would have thought like she's going over there, she got to take something out of the pail, right?
Start like this. Yeah. Yeah. You ready? You ready? Hey. Listen, Toronto. Listen, Toronto. You need a light? I never say listen, Toronto, but listen, Toronto. We're doing it tonight. 3 hours of hotness. No caravana today, but caravana today. You get what I'm saying? Tonight we doing. We gonna celebrate. We gonna have our very own thing right here. Everything's gonna be friendly. Everything's gonna be happy, and everyone's gonna take a ride tonight. Believe me, when I
What's
talk
this?
to you, yo, there's no caravana. There's no caravana.
Oh yeah, the best.
COVID took out Caravana. Got a tear in my eye. Today I went downtown, walked around.
So good.
I looked around, I saw people that were hungry.
Such a cool, like, bright color world. Nope, it's done.
So tonight I'm providing.
Noted.
To St. Clair Avenue West, you can't come here.
That was awesome. I love those. Mexican jumping meat is like the greatest, like,
Look at the smoke, my God.
yeah, it's
The
brutal.
smell of it.
This is champagne something. This is one of the ones I got from Brockville. Champagne.
Fucking so fucking hard.
That was awesome. That was an awesome one. Come on, that one was awesome.
I think we're gonna do this red, white, and awesome.
Are they leaving? Are they mad?
I don't think so. The guy's like 20 years old or something,
I was
isn't
like, do
he?
you think he's leaving because he's mad?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe he's just an idiot.
No, they're moving a car to 6 feet.
Pardon?
They don't want anything to hit their car, I guess?
Oh, do you think so?
I don't know. Nothing's hitting anywhere near us.
Yeah. I don't know. I think he's just being a dingy-ding. If you ask me.
Pardon?
Maybe.
Barn is making it
Yeah, it's making me deaf. I think we should close the barn door.
That's what I should.
Yeah, that's too fucking loud.
Yeah, maybe we should.
You gotta get Dad to come down here and do that. Here.
The barn is making it so
Oh yeah, that's so loud. No, Sarah, I don't think we can. Can you come and help us close the barn door? It's deafening.
it's making it be different.
Yo, we're ready. Yes. Toronto's Hip Hop Flow 93.5. My name is Peter Cash. This is Club Quarantine, live and direct from 2 St. Clair Avenue West, downtown Toronto. Doors open till 1 o'clock. Everyone free. No dress code in effect. BYOB. Free parking. Get what I'm saying right now? The Feds on the radio wherever you are in your backyard. In your house, in the car. Sunroof open. If it's raining, it's okay. It's okay. It's on the water. It's fine. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. You're listening right now. I want to know where you are. 416-872-0935. I'll tell you again. 416-872-0935. And I said this before. I said this yesterday. Caravan is like Christmas for DJs, and man.
Good one. That was a good one.
What you saying tonight? 416-872-0935. Double text. Double text.
I still say if you had the wheelbarrow, you just put the ones in there. So they're gonna have to go over there and get picked up anyway. Oh, they stink. That smells like rotten old shit farts. Gross.
All night, baby. All night. Club Quarantine.
They're pretty impressive, like the size of the things you get now.
Yeah.
Like, too windy.
No, I think it's just.
You like this road with that? It's the gravity.
A little bit of overkill, no?
Yeah, I didn't know how much was here, so I brought a box. What's this one? Grave digger.
Uh-oh. So this is just the very start of it.
That's a nice promo.
fell on me and
I wish we
felt
knew
like a
now.
stone.
That's why they had to move the car so bad. I don't know. I'm into like doing all of them, but at the same time, because like when would we do them again? Next year? Labor Day. I can get more. I want.
Stuff was coming down on the garage roof.
I'm not gonna do this one.
No.
No, because I think it's too windy, so like put it into the,
This one. On the bottom. It's a single shot one. It goes really high though.
God, that was pretty freaking loud and echoey.
Hey, that was good. Okay, so. Ooh, really saying me.
there's a,
Here, Johnny's got it.
This is a big one with lots of shots.
It's getting pretty windy though.
We have 36 shots. Very nice. That was a good one.
Look at the smoke. Look at it on our lawn. It's
so I'm
thick
kind
with
of thinking
smoke.
Act of Valor, and maybe even that one we'll hold on to. So let's do, we can keep this really big one.
Let's do lockdown.
Yeah, because that's what we're in.
Yeah.
All their lights went out next door. Buddy's got his lights out across the street.
Careful. Excellent finale on that one. What was that?
Lockdown.
Lockdown.
Look at the big black cloud. What?
Let's give me minutes. We'll keep these ones. And what other ones do we keep? Yeah. Per battery? Canada Pride.
Snapshot. Whiskey Tango. Hardcore. You know what, let's do the... Pick up a couple more to set off. So I was thinking this one.
Yeah.
I don't know, should we do the Canada's Pride?
What's that one?
It's a red and white.
Yeah, let's do that one.
Starburst, Carnations, whatever.
And then there's just these two. So we have Whiskey Tango and Hardcore.
Okay. And we'll keep these ones
So do you want it?
for Labor Day. You want to set off 1867?
Let's do it. Let's put that one there. Okay.
And set
So
off
these will
those
be
ones.
the three.
What's this?
Oh, that's their fire pack. I'll put it in the other box.
Okay, we got 3 more.
It's already 22 minutes.
What?
22 minutes of footage of nothing, of black screen.
Oh yeah, this one you gotta bury it a bit.
Oh, the smoke is horrendous.
Nope. That's it? That last one came in
It
the
is
end.
a smoky one.
That's pretty good for one of those.
Yeah.
Better than like a regular Roman candle or something. Club Quarantine?
Yeah.
That was awesome. What was that?
Whiskey Tango.
Whiskey Tango? That was way more awesome than when I read the description and it was like blue balls to red. Yeah. Yeah, that one was good. Whiskey Tango. This the finale?
Yeah.
It's got a lot of shots.
It's a smoke.
Wow. Got a lot of shots. Oh, that one was awesome.
That was a fucking smoker. Look at it. Holy shit. Jesus. Oh my god. Look at this.